The aspect of property management that is stressful for many investors is people management. In the eyes of many investors, it isn't the property that causes problems, it is the occupants. But there are two types of properties in which the income is much less dependent on residential or industrial or retail occupancy. These are mini storage facilities and mobile home parks. Storage facilities are high cash flow because operating expenses are much lower, that is 20 to 35% of gross rental income, compared to apartment expenses at 45 to 55%. Operation can be automated. Very little preparation after client turnover. Usually have on-site living quarters, which is ideal for owner-managers. They're ideal candidates for seller financing. Mobile home parks are also high cash flow if the occupants own their own mobile homes. If the residents own their own mobile homes and not the park, and this should be your goal, then you have homeowners, not tenants. Mobile home parks have very low turnover because it's expensive to move mobile homes, so they'll stay put for many years. Mobile home owners pay their own maintenance upkeep. All you have is park upkeep. They're ideal for owner management, and they're also ideal candidates for seller financing. To enjoy the highest cash flow and to lower operating expenses, bigger is better, just as in apartments. For storage facilities, consider 200 units as the smallest, but aim for 300 plus units. In mobile home parks, aim for the nicer properties with amenities, paved roads, playgrounds, etc. And remember that hundreds of spaces gives better cash flow than dozens of spaces. Own the park and avoid owning the mobile homes in the park. Otherwise, you'll have to deal with people problems. Purchasing these kinds of commercial income properties may require a bit more leniency during due diligence, especially if you're buying from an owner-manager. Mom and pop operations, especially in mobile home parks, tend not to keep ideal records in tax returns. If they're not very business savvy, they may not be able or willing to release this information to you. That doesn't mean you should avoid these mom and pop sellers, but you may need to find other creative ways to verify income and expenses. But if you're not looking to conquer the world and are just looking for one or two cash flow properties, then storage facilities and mobile home parks can provide decent, hassle-free cash flow for you. Thanks for watching, and if you know other investors who might find this type of information helpful, forward it, share it, and see more like it at investorsonly.net.